Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session with our arraignment docket. Next case that we have is cause number 332926. The case is styled State of Texas versus Archie Ray Fennell Jr. Mr. Fennell, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Fennell, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Fennell, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Mr. Fennell, how are you doing? That you doing okay? That's good. Mr. Fennell, I have before me a couple of documents. And in these documents, let me show you these documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Defendant's Rights Without an Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yeah,
And is this your signature online that's titled Defendant?
yeah,
Are these your initials online say you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney? And I have another document that's titled Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
yeah,
On page 2 of this same document, is this your signature online that's titled Defendant Signature?
yeah.
Okay, Mr. Fennell, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents?
Yeah.
And did you understand what you read?
Yeah.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yeah.
Mr. Fennell, I read your answers in these documents. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney John Macy. And Mr. Macy is going to be given information on how to contact you, and you will be given information on how to contact him from our court coordinator. Okay, Mr. Fennell. You're gonna stand on the X in front of our court coordinator. Our court coordinator is gonna come and reset your case. Once you reset your case, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Sir, I apologize.
Okay,
I'm just tired of with two jobs, sir.
okay,
You know, apologize. But didn't know good.
okay. Your apologies are accepted from the court, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, the court is in session in cause number 331378. And the case is 331878. And the case is styled the State of Texas versus Leroy Charles or Leroy Earl Charles.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Charles, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Charles, how are you doing?
Fine with you, sir.
Okay, okay. You mentioned earlier that you worked 2 jobs, you're a little tired.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, it's a good thing you're working.
Well, yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Charles, the state is dismissing this case, and I've just signed a dismissal.
Yes, sir.
You will be given a copy of this dismissal in a few minutes.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Charles, you're gonna have a seat at that table right there. Just have a seat, and then when she's ready for you, she's gonna call you up to the window and give you a reset.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Charles, make sure that you go home and get you some rest.
Yeah, well, I was late last night because the Cowboys game. I work at the sports bar.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
okay,
This chair right here is good?
yeah, that's fine. We'll be in recess till we'll reconvene at 1:30 for our trial docket. Okay, oh, we have a bond forfeiture? Oh,
There are one.
oh, okay, let's do that bond forfeiture. Court is back in session and cause number 332888. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Darrell Glenn Cologne. Darrell Cologne was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Darrell Cologne at the courthouse door. Darrell Cologne did not answer. Darrell Cologne has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:01 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Darrell Cologne at the courthouse door? Darrell Cologne's name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Darrell Cologne did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Cologne an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. They move the ball.
That motion will be granted. Darrell Cologne's bond will be forfeited and a warrant should be issued for his arrest. And cause number 332888. And this will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket. The court will reconvene at 1:30 for the court trial, for the trials that's scheduled on today. Everyone, please